This is Year 3 and 4, Day 5, and today we're going to be finding the rule. The aim of this little unit is to consolidate addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and to recap on finding the inverse. Our objectives for today's session: I can use a rule to work out missing values. I can also find a rule by working out the inverse for addition and subtraction. I can even find the rule by working out the inverse for multiplication and division. Firstly, what is a rule? A rule lets you know what has happened to a sequence of numbers. Sometimes we're given a rule, for example, add 10. So here we have three numbers, 13, 37 and 64. We have to add 10, because that is the rule, to each of these numbers. So 13 add 10 is 23, 37 add 10 is 47, and 64 add 10 is 74. To find a rule, we can look at the numbers and see if we can work out what has been done to one number to get the other number. We may need to use the inverse to work it out. The table shows our in and out numbers. 13 in, 20 out. 7 in, 14 out. 34 in, and 41 out. I'm going to take the first one. So 13 has gone in, something has happened to it, and 20 has come out. This number has increased. So we could say 13 add something equals 20. To work this out, I would do the inverse. This was especially been done if you have harder numbers. So 20 take away 13 is something, and this will be our rule. So 20 take away 13 is 7. The rule could be add 7. Let's check with the numbers. 7 add 7 is 14, and 34 add 7 is 41. So this rule is correct. Here's another one for us to look at. My in numbers and my out numbers are there in the table. So 5 went in, something happened to it, and 15 came out. 7 went in, something happened to it, and 21 came out. And 12 went in, something happened to it, and 36 came out. Let me take the first one. Something has happened to 5 to get to 15. So one option is 5 add something is 15. I can work out using the inverse what that number could be. So 15 take away 5 is 10. Therefore my rule could be add 10. Let me check it with the numbers. 7 add 10 is 17, and 12 add 10 is 22. So this rule doesn't work, so it's not add 10. Therefore we have to go back to the beginning and have another think. It could be multiplication. So maybe 5 has been multiplied by something to get to 15. So using the inverse, 15 divided by 5 is 3. So the rule could be multiply by 3. Let's check the rule. 7 times 3 is 21, and 12 times 3 is 36. So yes, it works. So the rule this time is times 3. Here's one for you to have a little go. You choose which side to do. So sometimes we are given a rule. The rule here is either add 7 or add 27. What are our out numbers? Have a go. Hopefully you would have got these answers. Take a moment to check yours. Now try this one. The rule is take away 12 or take away 39. Take a pause in the video and have a go. Here are the answers. Again, take a pause so you can work out if you got them correct. Moving on, this rule is multiply by 8 Can you work out what the out number would be when you have the in number? Again, take a pause in the video to work out your answers. Here are the answers. Check them against your own. The rule here is divide by 9. Have a go. Take a pause in the video. Here are the answers. Check them against your own. Now this time, I've given you the in number and I've given you the out number, and you need to work out what the rule was for the numbers. I've given you a little clue at the bottom to say what type of sum it most likely is. So for this set of questions, you need to add something to get to the out number. Take a pause and have a go. Remembering for the harder questions, you may need to do an inverse, so the subtraction, to work out the rule. Take a pause. Here are the answers. Hopefully you have the same. Here's another set of numbers. I've given you the in numbers and the out numbers for you to work out the rule. And again, I've given you a little clue at the bottom that the rule is going to be a takeaway. Take a pause in the video and have a go. Here are the rules for you. Hopefully you got the same answers. Another set of questions now. I've given you the in and the out, and I've also given you a clue at the bottom. All these rules will be in multiplication. Can you work out the rule? For the harder ones, again, you might need to do the inverse. Therefore, you might need to divide to find what the rule is. Take a pause in the video and have a go yourselves. These are the answers. Hopefully you got them right. And finally, here's another one. Again, I've given you the in numbers and the out numbers, and you need to find the rule. My final clue today is it's a division. Therefore, the in number is divided by something to get the out number. The harder questions might need again the inverse to work out what number has been divided. Take a pause in the video and have a go. Here are the answers, and again, hopefully you got them all okay. So, there are 6 worksheets for today's session. The work is suitable for both Years 3 and 4 children, but some of the Year 3s may find the multiplication division sheets, which are numbers 3 and 4, slightly more challenging, but just do what you can do. The mixed sheets at the end, sheets 5 and 6, are a real challenge, because these are all muddled up together. But again, do what you can do and have a go. Good luck.